We've been providing the very best all-terrain elevating work platforms to clients around the world for more than 40 years. From specialized lifting platforms for fruit picking, to elevated stands for building sites and boom lifts for tree maintenance and line work, our ever-growing range of safe, quality products for your particular purpose is our strength. Hydralada is a family-run business in Hawke's Bay, New Zealand, with a global market and dealer network. It's our commitment to design, innovation and performance that makes Hydralada stand out from the rest. And it's our reliability, service and support that keeps our clients moving. Hydralada is the #1 choice for horticultural and industrial needs. There's a Hydralada for every site, ground condition and task. We'll even customize a machine to your unique specifications. Lift your game with Hydralada.